In this video, we'll use the factor theorem to identify linear factors of the following polynomial: p of x equals x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. So the first thing we can do is remember that the factor theorem states that if p evaluated a equals 0, then x minus a is a factor. So with that in mind, we can look for factors of a polynomial by substituting in the 0 of that factor. So what we're going to do is we're going to inspect the constant term of the polynomial and look for the factors of -6. So the factors of -6 are 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3, 6, and -6. So all we do from here is test each of those factors. So the first one we'll test is p of 1. So when we sub 1 into the polynomial, we get 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 squared plus 1 minus 6. And that gives 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 6, which equals 0. So therefore, because p of 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is a factor. Next, we'll test -1 in the polynomial. So we'll have -1 cubed plus 4 times -1 squared plus -1 minus 6, which will give us -1 plus 4, because -1 squared is +1, minus 1 minus 6, and that all up gives -4. So we know that x plus 1 is not a factor. So the next one we can do is p of 2. And when we substitute in p of 2, we have 2 cubed plus 4 times 2 squared plus 2 minus 6. And when we evaluate that, we get that that is equal to 20. So that doesn't fit our factor theorem. Testing p of -2, we have -2 cubed plus 4 times -2 squared plus -2 minus 6. And when we evaluate that, we'll find that's equal to -8 plus 16 minus 2 minus 6, which gives 0. So by the factor theorem, we know that x plus 2 is a factor. And we can repeat this process with the other factors of -6. So if we put in p of 3, when we do that, we'll get that that is equal to 60. And when we do p of -3, we find that that is equal to 0. So because p of -3 equals 0, we can say that x plus 3 is a factor. And they are the 3 linear factors for the polynomial p of x. Just for interest's sake, we can also see that p of 6 is equal to 360 and p of -6 is equal to -84, meaning that neither x plus 6 or x minus 6 are factors.